The moment you slip and fall, a stopwatch starts. The property owner and their insurance company are already on the clock, and every move you make can either build your case or break it. Hi, I'm Jim Curtis. I'm a personal injury lawyer here in Apollo Beach, Florida. Today I'm revealing the 7 deadly sins, the critical mistakes that can wreck your physical recovery and your right to compensation. And the first one is something almost everyone does out of pure embarrassment. So let's dive in. The first deadly sin is leaving the scene without telling anyone what happened. After you fall, your first instinct is probably to get up and get out of there as fast as you can. It's embarrassing, but bolting is a huge mistake. If you don't report the fall to a manager or owner right then and there, they can and often will claim it never happened on their property. You need to notify the person in charge immediately and insist on a written incident report. This creates an official record. If they refuse to write one, pull out your phone, open your notes app, and type in the manager's name, the date, and the time you reported it. That simple act is your first and most important line of defense. The second deadly sin is saying, "I'm so sorry," or "I wasn't paying attention." It feels like a natural, polite thing to say, but those words can be used against you. Insurance companies are masters at twisting your words to shift the blame. An innocent apology can become their main argument that you were the careless one, which they'll use to reduce or flat out deny your compensation. Stick to the facts. Just state what happened. "I was walking down this aisle and my feet went out from under me." Don't guess about who's at fault or why you fell. Keeping their property safe is their job. Don't give them an easy way to get out of it. Deadly sin number 3 is failing to gather evidence. Think of the area where you fell as a temporary crime scene. That puddle of water, the cracked tile, or the poor lighting that caused your fall, it's going to get cleaned up or fixed in a hurry. If you don't document it, it's like it never existed. So what do? You turn that phone in your pocket into your best weapon. Take photos and videos of the exact spot where you fell and whatever caused it. Snap pictures of any visible injuries you have. If anyone saw what happened, get their name and phone number. A witness can be incredibly powerful. Finally, set aside the shoes and clothes you were wearing and don't wash them. They are part of the evidence. The fourth and maybe the most dangerous sin is putting off a visit to the doctor. After a fall, adrenaline can hide major injuries like a concussion, hairline fractures, or even internal bleeding. What just feels like a little soreness today could easily become a serious, chronic problem tomorrow. Getting checked out right away is for your own health and safety. Legally, delaying treatment gives the insurance company a golden opportunity to argue that your injuries aren't from the fall. They'll claim that you got hurt doing something else a few days later. A doctor's visit creates a medical record that directly links your injuries to the incident, which is absolutely essential for your claim. The fifth deadly sin is giving a recorded statement to the other side's insurance adjuster. You'll likely get a call pretty quickly from an adjuster who sounds incredibly friendly and concerned. Remember, they work for the insurance company. Their one and only job is to save their company money by paying you as little as possible. You are under no obligation to give them a recorded statement. They are trained to ask leading questions to trap you into downplaying your pain or accidentally admitting fault. Anything you say will be used to devalue your claim. Just politely decline and tell them you'll have your attorney get in touch. Sin number 6 is grabbing the first settlement offer they throw at you. Insurance companies love to dangle a lowball offer early on, hoping you're stressed about your medical bills and will just take the fast cash. The problem is, these first offers almost never cover the full extent of your costs, like long-term physical therapy, lost wages, and your pain and suffering. Some injuries don't show their true colors for weeks or months. Once you accept a settlement, it's over. You can't ask for more money later on if your injuries turn out to be worse than you thought. Never accept an offer until you know exactly what your claim is really worth. And the seventh and final deadly sin is trying to handle all of this by yourself. Going up against an insurance company alone is like stepping into the ring with a heavyweight champion. They have teams of lawyers and adjusters who do this every single day. On top of that, there's a ticking clock called the statute of limitations. In Florida, you only have 2 years from the date of the fall to file a lawsuit. If you miss that deadline, your case is gone forever, no matter how strong it was. An experienced attorney knows the insurance company's playbook and protects you from missing these critical deadlines. Let's be clear, avoiding these 7 sins, fleeing the scene, admitting fault, ignoring evidence, delaying medical care, giving a recorded statement, taking a quick payout, and going it alone is how you protect yourself. If a slip and fall has turned your life upside down, don't let an insurance company make it worse. Your next move is crucial. Contact my office for a free, no-pressure consultation. We're here to help you understand your rights and fight for the recovery you actually deserve. Now that you know what you shouldn't do after a slip and fall accident, be sure to check out this next video to learn some simple steps that you can take to increase your personal injury settlement. See you there.